can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. Market updates. We're having a very green day in the cryptocurrency market. Welcome to a very new week. Bitcoin is still chilling above $100,000. There's still greed in the cryptocurrency market. And guys, we're still expecting that altcoin season pump of 2025. We'll take a look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Bullish news after bullish news. Market participants are expecting higher prices throughout the week. We'll look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market. For us to get that elusive all-season pump, we need that big decline in Bitcoin dominance. We'll take a look at the total crypto market cap, Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market. Where are we heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 1 week has seen all coins bouncing, double-digit gains across the board. Maker, XP 6900, Fatcoin, AVI, Euro are up all double digits. But guys, in the last 24 hours, we're seeing the altcoin market responding. Over the weekend, market has just been going sideways. That has been happening since the Bitcoin ETFs got approved. During the weekend, you usually just see the market quiet. We see lack of volatility. But when we get to Monday morning, we either pump into the moon or dumping to the moon. But this week, looks like we're pumping to the moon. Bitcoin trades above $107,000. The target for Bitcoin to break above will be that $112,000 level. Bitcoin has gone from as low as $74,000 in the April of 2025. We've seen it rally up to as high as $112,000. That's the 50% rally. That rally took us to all-time highs. But all eyes are not on Bitcoin. All eyes are on the altcoin market. And the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market is Ethereum. Ethereum is leading the way. Ethereum is pumping higher. Expect the altcoin market to follow Ethereum. My first target for Ethereum will be around that $3,500 level. I still believe, guys, since 2021, the crypto market topped. We have been in a bear market. You might be wondering, yes, we have been pumping for the last 3 years. It's possible for us to pump in the bear market. I believe that's what's happening right now. And we're in the final phases of that bear market. We've been pumping since 2022. The rally doesn't last forever. We've seen Ethereum from $1,300 when it was trading in April of 2025. Ethereum has gotten to as high as $2,800, more than a 170% pump in that time frame. So you can see Ethereum is clearly outperforming Bitcoin. If you look at the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio, you see that Ethereum has outperformed Bitcoin over the last 2 months. Since we got to that bottom in April, Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin. Over the next few days, over the next few weeks, don't be surprised to see Ethereum and Ethereum Memecoins and Ethereum derivatives pumping. So if you see Ethereum rallying hard against Bitcoin, historically, that has been a telltale sign that we're getting to the end of market cycle. And this time is no different, guys. You've been hearing a lot of people talking about Altseason in the cryptocurrency market. Altseason usually happens when all coins start outperforming Bitcoin. And Ethereum has been declining against Bitcoin since 2021. I strongly believe this bounce will send Ethereum meme coins pumping to the moon. At the same time, it will send the total crypto market cap probably getting to new all-time highs. We have seen Bitcoin, the king of the market, rally past where it was trading in December of 2024. Bitcoin got to $107,000. In May of 2025, we have seen Bitcoin rally back to as high as $112,000. But the total crypto market cap, which got to as high as $3.71 trillion in December of 2024, have not been able to rally to new highs. And I believe the last leg of the market cycle is where we'll see Bitcoin not setting new highs. We'll see the altcoin market probably setting new highs. We'll see total crypto market cap attempting to set new highs. And more importantly, guys, we will see Bitcoin dominance dumping. All eyes has been on Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is the surest signal to watch out for if you are waiting for that all-season signal. If you're waiting for when all-season will come, when all coins will pump. We saw a mini all-season in November of 2024 when we saw XRP, XLM, HBAR, and a whole host of other altcoins pumping. What happened to Bitcoin dominance then? We saw a decline in Bitcoin dominance. And we saw a decline in Bitcoin dominance just early in May 2025. That was when we saw Ethereum rallying aggressively, outperforming Bitcoin. And I believe the final phase of the market cycle is where we'll see that epic Bitcoin dominance dump. A lot of market participants will be caught upside. Right now, with Bitcoin trading around $107,000 and Bitcoin dominance is now the 64% region, I'm sure a lot of market participants will not be able to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin is already trading at a high multiple. You start seeing people entering coins like SPX 6900, Fatcoin, more meme coins. People will start, market participants will start going down the risk curve. And in that market environment, I expect to see Bitcoin dominance dumping sharply and even going to as low as 54%. That will take the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, which currently sits right now at $1.17 trillion, back to as high as $1.7 trillion. I'm not sure if that happens, and that can happen very, very quickly. Your number one job in the market is to buy low and sell high. When the market goes high, you sell for some sweet profit. When we go low, you buy for some future gains. And right now, we have been pumping over the last few days and over the last few weeks. And over the last 24 hours, guys, more than 74,000 traders were liquidated. Total liquidation coming in around $278 million. The largest liquidation order happened on CoinEx. One trader lost $2 million betting on the price of Bitcoin. How is sentiment in the cryptocurrency market? There's still greed in the cryptocurrency market. We have been stocking greed over 2 months right now, which is a good improvement. We saw the market go through extreme fear in April, Trump tariffs, how low can we go, recession is around the corner. But since the 9th of April, the market took a turn for the better. Since then, we have rallied from extreme fear. We have even gone to as high as extreme greed over the next few days. And extreme greed reading will mean we're at the very, very end of the market cycle. Right now, we're seeing altcoins pumping. Right now, we're seeing some meme coins here and there pumping. Bitcoin above $107,000. The final pump, guys, is the one that will suck the many market participants that are still bearish into the market. A lot of market participants right now are still holding cash. They're still telling themselves maybe this time is different. But when they start seeing that exit pump, when they start seeing altcoins giving 20, 30, maybe 50% gains in 24 hours, when Bitcoin dominance starts dumping aggressively, and Bitcoin fails to set new all-time highs where Ethereum, Solana, and other altcoins are pumping, that might be a telltale sign for you to run for the hills. That has always been a telltale sign in the past. I don't think this time is different. The bubble will always burst. If you take a look at the general meme coin market, the biggest meme coin we still have in the cryptocurrency market is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is up 13% over the last 60 days. Shiba Inu is the second largest meme coin we have. And you can see that Pepe, which is one of the newest meme coin on Ethereum. Pepe has been here since 2022, but Pepe is a kind of an Ethereum derivative. It's up 55% over the last 60 days. SPX 6900 and that Ethereum meme coin is up 262%. One argument can be made that Shiba Inu is an Ethereum meme coin and is only up 2%. You have Bonk, Dog We Had, Floki. It's safe to say the meme coin market is taking over. If you take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, it's still relatively unchanged. We have Cardano in the top 10 right now, Tron, Dogecoin, USDC, Solana, BNB, XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market. We'll be expecting to see the total cryptocurrency market cap go to as high as $3.7 trillion. We can easily get there. Maybe Bitcoin gets to set new all-time highs. Maybe Bitcoin doesn't get to set new all-time highs. But one thing is sure, market participants are excited and they're taking more risks. So expect to see extreme greed in the coming days and the coming weeks. Let's take a look at some news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin must upgrade or fall victim to quantum computing. In 5 years, Bitcoin ETF records 5-day inflows amid geopolitical tensions. Will that send the market crashing? I've seen people saying the Israel-Iran conflict might help the fear and greed index stay in the greed territory, guys. Remember, the markets are very volatile and the markets are always forward-looking. So tell me the charts and I'll tell you the news. And the chart is telling us we are in for a final rally before a huge dump to Goblin Town begins. There's a lot of bad behaviors going around the market. We're seeing companies borrow money to buy Bitcoin. We are seeing companies creating Bitcoin-backed loans that market participants can get. Historically, that has been when market participants make bad decisions, when they start loaning to buy stocks, when they start loaning out their Bitcoins. Like I say, lost signal, impending Bitcoin purchase amid Israel-Iran conflict. He has been on the buying spree week in, week out. He has been buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin's number one evangelist. That's Mike Castillo, and he's going to help Pakistan with their crypto pivot. Crypto trader freed after kidnappers realized he was broke. He was flexing on crypto. He was flexing on TikTok that he had so much crypto. He was kidnapped. They realized he didn't have that money, and he was released. Be careful out there, guys. Having crypto is dangerous. There's a lot of criminals out there. Ethereum whales, sharks keep up buying Ethereum as retail cash outs. Will this time be different? Will the whales be left holding the bag, or will retail finally hold the bag? Only time will tell. But right now, the news is bullish, front, left, and center. Metaplanet, Bitcoin holding hits 10,000 Bitcoin. Bitcoin buying firms must weigh risks, must weigh quitting as risks emerging, and crypto users lose $6.9 million to cold wallet from China TikTok. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see the cryptocurrency market going in the coming days and coming weeks? Altcoin market has started on a bright note. We're seeing altcoins bouncing aggressively. Which altcoins are you holding for altcoin season? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.